Hi everybody, welcome back to One Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can cancel subscription for Tinder. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up Tinder application on your mobile phone. Now here the user face will appear somewhat like this. Now it will be recommending you some suggestions to date. So now in order to cancel the subscription, what you can do is go ahead and tap on the bottom right corner with the little profile on there. So once you tap on it, you'll be appear with your profile section. So now if you have taken or if you have subscribed for the subscription, it will show you on the screen right there. Now if you have got subscription for Tinder, what you can do is simply go ahead and tap on the gear icon, which is also represented as settings. So once you tap on it, your subscription will be available in there, and in order to cancel it, you can just go ahead and tap on it and cancel it on how you want or according to you. So once it's done, you are good to go. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.